Hey guys, it has been a crazy busy week, so I'm making a very quick supper too, and I just thought I'd bring you along. I use these flour tortillas for just about everything. I don't even buy regular bread much anymore. You've seen me use these in a casserole. I've used them for, of course, soft-shell tacos, burritos. We've made chimichangas with them. We've made quesadillas with them, and a friend of mine made sandwiches with these once. You can use cold cuts and roll them up and then slice them, and that's good too. This is a little different. It's good to make grilled cheese, but we're going to do something a little different. So you fold it in half again, so that you have this half again. Take your kitchen shears and cut one side, or 1/4. Okay. I'll go kind of a little bit further in. Okay, so now I have some oil heating here. We're going to drop this in and let it start to crisp a little. We're going to work with it like 4 quadrants. I'm going to put some, let's see, I'm going to put some ham right here, and some cheese over here. And I just want to keep an eye on it. Let it start browning a little bit. I still want to be able to fold it. I also want to put a little honey mustard. You could use mayonnaise. You don't have to put a sauce at all. Let's see if I have a brush here. I have a jar that needs to be used up, so I'm going to put a little honey mustard over here. I want to fold this over. There we go. I want to fold that. I can turn the heat off. And then you're going to want to fold it again. Right over like that. And then one more fold. If you have tomatoes, lettuce, or something like that, you would want to go ahead and on the end that didn't have anything, the last fold, that's when you would want to use that. Get that off the heat. Gonna let that cool off just a little bit. It makes a really good hot ham and cheese, but it also makes a good grilled cheese if you wanted to put a couple of different cheeses on it, especially. And you could do the same thing with this if you had like leftover taco meat. You wanted to sprinkle a little tomatoes, lettuce, and your normal taco stuff with maybe sour cream. You would spread your sour cream on one of the slices. So right here is where you would want to put your lettuce, tomato, or something that you didn't want to get hot in the pan. But your cheese is melting, your ham is hot. Makes a delicious sandwich. Just an alternative to regular bread. These are a low-carb flour tortilla. So anyway, I just wanted to share another way that I use these flour tortillas. They're very affordable and they can be low carb, so definitely recommend experimenting with these. They also make nice little personal pan pizzas. If you don't want like a crustless pizza and you just want a little thin crust, these are good. You can also put your pizza toppings on it and roll it up, and it's very good that way too. Anyway guys, have a great day.